Hello and welcome to another 60 Seconds to Success video with Learning Specialist Amanda. Today we're going to be talking about taking study breaks. If you've ever found yourself staring at your notes and not feeling like you're getting anywhere, it may be time for a break. Taking short breaks while you're studying can help with productivity, focus, motivation, and managing your stress so that you don't feel burnout. Here's a few ideas for effective breaks. Movement. Try getting up, taking a walk, stretching, or going to a different room. Grab a drink and a snack. Try drawing or working on a puzzle, like a word search. Playing with a pet. And try to avoid screens. Using a screen, especially if you were just working on your computer, is going to make the break go by really quick without it feeling like you really got away. Try setting timers for your study time and breaks, and don't be afraid to start small. Maybe you work for 20 minutes and then take a 5-minute break. If you search the Pomodoro technique, you can find websites, videos, and apps with built-in timers, and that can be a really useful tool. Thanks for watching, and reach out if we can help you with your studies.